am a poor wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world of woe, but there's no sickness, toil, nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my mother. I'm going there no more to roam. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home.
Wow. All right. Well, here we are in part 4 of the backup series here in the Darol's ArtistWorks Fiddle School, and I'm joined here by the incredible, amazing Lindsay Lou, who is one of my favorite singers of all time, and she's a star all over the acoustic music world, and she has a new record out entitled Queen of Time. You're certainly the queen of a lot of this community we have. So thanks, Lindsay, for consenting to do some of this backup stuff that we're going after.